My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are associated with the site blog@easy.net. So some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by the site blog@easy.net. Keep in mind that such pop-ups are totally faulty and you should not trust them. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the urgent measures and get rid of them from your Google Chrome browser. And of course, do not install any of such unwanted extensions through these deceptive pop-ups by blog@easy.net. If anything like that was installed, you need to access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions, disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I would also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.